In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your own avatar in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, apply your avatar, and guide the AI to swap or refine a face with clear, consistent results. First, open Magnific AI on your phone. Give it a moment to load so the workspace and your recent items appear. This ensures everything you need is right at your fingertips on mobile. Next, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Work. This is your central hub. Think of it as your library and control room combined, where you can browse projects, images, and previous edits in one place. From here, choose where you want to change the clone. Select the project, image, or avatar-ready item you want to work with. If you're aiming for the best possible face match, pick an image with a clear, well-lit face looking mostly forward. Good source material helps the AI lock onto features and maintain likeness. Now tap Use, then Edit with AI. Use opens the item in an editable state, and Edit with AI brings up the intelligent tools that handle the face swap and refinement. If you see optional controls for model or intensity, leave them at defaults for your first pass. You can always fine-tune later. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want. Be specific and helpful to the AI. For example, replace the face with my avatar. Keep the original pose, hairstyle, and lighting, and match the skin tone and expression. If you want to preserve background or clothing, say so. The more context you give, style, mood, camera angle, the more consistent the result. Finally, tap Generate. Let the app process. This can take a moment. When the result appears, check facial structure, eyes, and lighting. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt with small tweaks like softer smile or warmer lighting and generate again. A couple of careful iterations usually dials in a convincing, on-model avatar. And that's it. You've just cloned your avatar in Magnific AI Mobile with a clean, repeatable workflow.